Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use System.io to build marketing funnels, sales funnels, and also for other online marketing actions or for other online marketing tools that it has integrated. Now, in the previous lectures, we have seen which are the benefits of using this platform, how to create an account, how an account looks on the inside after we log in, and obviously how to create funnels. Okay, we have created a simple opt-in funnel as an example, and we can see that funnel over here. We can check it out from on this if we click on this icon with view funnel. But now in this next lecture we are going to talk about a different option that we have with System.io, or let's say an extra option that we have, an extra tool, and that is the email section. And in the email section we can see we have newsletter, campaigns, and statistics. Now, what are newsletters? Newsletters basically are one-time emails that we send. Okay, so for example, this week we have a special promotion for something, or we decide that we want to make a special promotion for something, we send a newsletter. A campaign basically it's something bigger than that. It's something which is strategized. Okay, so it's not only a simple newsletter that we send one time because we wanted to make a deal. Now let's take them one step at a time, and let's check out the newsletter section. We have the newsletter section over here. We see that we have nothing because we haven't actually sent anything using System.io, but for this example we are going to go ahead and click on the create button. This is the place from where we create a newsletter, and the first step, this pop-up will show up and we have to put in a subject line. Obviously the subject line that we want, we are testing, okay, the sender name, and let's say we have Mark or something like that, the sender email, and then we have to select visual editor or classic editor. Okay, let's select the visual editor, and we have two different templates. Let's select the first one, click on the save button, and we are basically the newsletter has been created and we can see it here. Now we have these options over here. We go ahead and click the edit the newsletter, and now we can actually edit it. Okay, and we can go ahead, click on the newsletter, and we are redirected to the editor. Pretty neat, right? And we can start to change the elements over here, to put in a new text. Okay, maybe delete this section or add a different thing. We can see that in the left side menu we can add some elements, content and layout sections, and that's pretty much it. Okay, we edit the email as we want. After we are done with that, we go ahead, click on the save changes, then we press the exit button, and we are coming back. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We also have some substitutes over here, like basically these, we can use these for personalization, these tags if you want to. Okay, we can introduce them inside the email, and our email will be personalized. Okay, we can add an attachment to the email, which is pretty nice, and we can include specific segments of our list, as we have previously mentioned, and exclude specific segments from our list. Okay, and that's pretty much it. After we are done, we can just save and send the test email to see if the email is going through as expected, or we can actually save and schedule the newsletter when we want the newsletter to be sent. Okay, tags, select all, we don't have any tags. Anyway, after, basically when we have contacts, we are also going to have tags to those contacts. We include the tags over here, so basically the platform knows where to send the email, and only after that we can save and schedule the newsletter. We are going to have options to schedule the newsletter to be sent like right away or in the future. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now we go back to the email section and we check out the campaigns. Okay, again in the campaign section we have nothing yet, but we go ahead, we click on the create button, we give the campaign a name. Okay, test 546. We can give it a description if you want to write a description for it, but we are going to leave it empty for now. Then we click on the save button. The campaign has been created, and we are going to see here that we have duplicate, share campaign, campaign settings. Okay, now if we are going to click on this campaign, we are going to see that we have the option to add emails. Why? Because as we have told you previously, we can inside the campaign, basically we have more emails. So a campaign is not a simple newsletter. Okay, it's basically a bigger promotion. It's something which is strategized. So you just click on the add email section and we start to add emails. Okay, that's it, nothing complicated. Just for the example, again, Mark, test 6, we select, okay, we save the changes, we exit, save and publish. Okay, and this is different than from the newsletter. Okay, now we have the option, because that's what happens inside of a campaign, delay before sending emails. Okay, 10 minutes. So for example, we use a campaign when somebody new subscribes to our list, okay, in order to send them follow-up emails. Okay, so when someone new subscribes to a specific list of ours, we can include that person into a campaign, and he will receive all the emails based on how we set up the campaign. Okay, time when the email should be sent, days of the week. Okay, then we just publish. Okay, now next step, we add a different email, and so on, right? So this is how we create a campaign. Nothing complicated. Okay, very, very simple. So that's pretty much about the emails. Obviously, we also have the statistics section, where we can actually see different statistics for the emails that we have sent, and it can be helpful after a while, obviously, because based on the statistics we can make changes, we can tweak our campaigns, our emails, and so on. Now that's pretty much it for this lecture. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.